So how to join two pieces together? I'm just gonna get right into it because I want to make this tutorial short and efficient. So to join two panels, we can either use a crochet hook. I'm going to use a different color so you can see more clearly how it works. So I'm going to make a slip knot and attach it to the first stitches. Also, don't forget to do this from the wrong side. So insert your hook like this under both loops of both edges. Attach the yarn. Of course, if you already have a strand coming out of this corner, you can just use that. So I've attached my yarn to the first stitches, then I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch under both loops, and the same for the other side under both loops. Pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. Then you're just going to repeat this to the end of the row. In some cases, for example, when you're making hats, for the panel that's further away from us, we will insert in the back loop only, not in both loops. But if you're just sewing up your sweater, then just insert under both loops of both pieces. So when you're finished, it looks like this from the right side. This way works up really fast, but sometimes you'd want the seam to be more flat, or maybe you prefer to sew them together. So if you want to do that, again, I'm going to use this green yarn, attach it to the first stitches, tie a few knots here. I'm just going to do one. So this time we're also going to go under both loops, line up both sides, and go from between the panels in the second stitch, pull yarn through, then in the corresponding stitch, the second stitch on the other side, between the panels, under both loops, pull through, then the next stitch, one side and the other side. Keep going like this. So it's kind of like lacing your shoe here. And after a few stitches, pull the yarn tight like this. But don't pull too tight, we still want it to be stretchy. And now the seam looks more flat. Also, even if I'm using a different color yarn, it's pretty hard to spot, not to mention if you use the same color yarn, the seam's gonna be neat and almost invisible. Now you know how to join two pieces together, go apply it to your work, have fun.